Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel if you don't have subscribed it. And now I'll show you how to use input mode. You can print only one record of a database file, or you can print a specific records like as a 5, 10, and you can print all the records of a students or a database file. I have used the students database file std name call as a stdss database file already. If you want to display records, you have already created database file and store data on it. I have already created stdss.dat database file already. I have add video in my YouTube channel and you can view this video also. Now start with open stds dot database. Okay, first of all open double quotation stdss dot dat database file for input as saf1 now cls. And now if you want to read all data from the database file, use do while not uaf 1. And now input saf1 comma, and now give the variables and $c or add dollar. Okay, I have already stored data on my file. And now print and $c or add dollar. Okay, now you can print your title, print name, class, role, address. Okay, now here loop and close your file and Indian program. Now compile. Okay, I have printed all the records of my database file. If I want to check whose roll number is 3, I want to print whose roll number is 3 from my database file. Now here go, and now if r equals to 3, then print. Okay, now here in the if, now compile just one record to sums whose roll number is 3, class 10, and the address is here. So you can here add spaces to make it more attractive. Okay, 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 now okay, if you want to read all the data from the database file, you can remove it. If you want to select a database from the database file, you can use the if statement. Or if you want to print specific records like as only 5 records, only 10 records of a database file, then you can use your for loop for p equals to 1 to 5 as your questions. Okay, now here next p. Now compile the program. Okay, Now Susan, Saurabh, Barshat, Susan, Suma. Okay, 5 records I have print from my database file. Okay, now you can try your programs yourself, and you can comment if you got any problems, errors in your programs. Okay, thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you again.